Stand still, bottle. Hello. It is very bright out here, so I can barely see. But we're going to do this old trend. But, you know, I'm going to do it right now. And I have to, later on, go to my grandma's house. But yeah, my dad's not home yet, so I can do this. My mom's allowing me to do this. My dad's not. But my mom said yeah. And she told me to be careful, so I'm going to do it. Anyways, go to the closet, move fast. We have our bottle here, we have our ketchup, and we have our baking soda. Let's do it. And so I'm not going to do it on here because we're going to do it in the grass. So let's do that. Let's move. Just like a step away from it. We're going towards my old building because, as well, it's a little darker. Fun. Alright. So, you probably can't hear me. So I'm going to talk louder. We have our ketchup, and I hear animals outside above me. So fun. So we're first gonna add our ketchup because, yeah, not trying to waste. I'm very sorry. Let's do a little more. Trying. Alright, that should be enough, I think. This much. Not sure, I hope it is enough. This might be a complete fail. But yeah. Baking soda. How am I gonna do this? It's getting absolutely everywhere. There we go. Okay, now we just shake it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did I do? No, 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 no. I'm so horrified. I'll be back. Y'all watch it, please. Oh my god. Oh! It smells so bad. Oh! Do any more ketchup? Oh. Small pop. Okay. Where's the lid? Where'd the lid go? Where's the lid? Oh. I don't know where the lid is! Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? How do you lose the whole lid? Thanks for watching. My hands are freezing. This is disgusting. Ugh. Stepped in it. Bye. I love y'all.